Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to print a file in Miss Word. Open your Word document. There, in the File menu, select the option Print. Now, from the Printer option, you can choose the printer to use. Then in Settings, you can choose what you have to print. Additionally, you will have another group of options for your printing, which help you customize this process. Finally, click on Print to be able to print your Word document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.